Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do another Blender video, and we're going to do the final Blender video. So, in the last video we rendered it, and you'll see there is 35 images. Now, if you go to, and you can do another way of editing or rendering your donut by going to like PowerDirect or something. You can search up another tutorial about that. I don't do those tutorials. So yeah. So, I almost did. Right click on this, press new Blender file, and then press plus, and then press this plus button and press video editing, and press add image sequence. Go to your place, save, and then press A to select all of it, and then go here. And why am I talking fast? I don't know why. Now there's a lot of things that's happening. First, so first, it's stretched out, so change the dimension to 1080. And then change this to 29, the normal one. And then change the, now you can use the FFmpeg video. And press encoding, change the container to QuickTime. Medium quality, change it to high quality. And that's all. And then you press this. And save, and then press, and then do that begins tutorial. And then you just press render animation, and it'll be lightning fast, because there's nothing to render. No. Set the end count to. Set the end count. I'm so bad at remembering. Change this to this. Now set the end count to 60. Now render. Have that, save, TT stands for tutorial. No, it doesn't. I don't know why. Okay. Now, if I go to see that? Alright, that's the bad one. That one was the one I just rendered it 2 times. So yeah. So see you later, alligators. Subscribe, like.